Here are a few things that I used to say about Instagram that are obsolete and we should just really stop doing in 2023. The very first thing that I always used to preach was having a plan for live video. Hear me out, because I still think that you should have some sort of plan. I remember having a whole spiel with notes, an introduction, super polished. There's something that happened to me this year. I got to start a whole new TikTok channel and I was very nervous about it. I didn't want to get on TikTok. I humbly went over, started from zero, and live video changed the game. What I learned with TikTok live, it's so not polished. You can do whatever. You can leave really quickly, come back, and people are still watching you like as if you're just hanging out. There's a whole channel of people doing laundry. There's channels on people doing scratchers. So I used to preach that you have to be super polished, and now what I'm telling you is just press record. Turn on the live video, ask what do you want to talk about, what do you want to ask. Have some sort of plan, but be open to pivot. When you're confident about what you're talking about, it's not going to be something hard. I know I have 10 minutes and I could just do it in the car, then I just go live. It's not necessarily selling. It's just me talking about a tip I have, something I have in my mind, something I learned or read, and the conversation goes from there. How do you talk to your people? How do you talk to your friends? That's how you should go live. If you do want to share your screen, I have a video. You can do a note, you can do a graphic from Canva as your live video quote unquote slideshow. That's not the only thing you should do. Humanize your personal brand. The next thing that I used to preach that you just need to not do that anymore. I did this multiple times. Let's go back. 2017, the feeds were perfect. 2020, 2021, post whatever you want, it doesn't matter. But coming into 2023, this is what I've learned. Being in TikTok and Instagram, we need to find a happy medium. Not as messy as TikTok and not this perfect feed that Instagram has been. Instagram is still a visual platform. We still like aesthetic things. Think about the influencers that you follow. There's some sort of cohesiveness. Maybe you don't have to plan every single square like, oh my god, this one has to match with this one and this one. The point is to build trust and make income on social media, on Instagram in this case. Working with a few of my clients, they don't have the luxury to hire to someone to make their graphics right now. But we're focusing on keeping it cohesive, adding a few graphics here and there, but very clean. Pick one font, pick one color, even if it's Instagram font colors, stick to it. That's gonna be the most simple way to keep it cohesive. One quick tip that helped me, just keeping a simple pink font. It was like that block font, pink. I would just use a cover photo from the reel and that pink font. It's okay if you want to have a pretty feed and don't have the energy or time to make it so cohesive. The next thing that I said that you need to do, but that's totally obsolete and you actually should stop doing it in 2023, reels. Hear me out. I'm not telling you not to make them. With a lot of the changes on Instagram, you may see a few dips in your views. I mean, don't stress out about them. Test it out and have fun with it. Maybe you do need a little bit of clarity. Figure out who you're talking to, why you're talking to them. Double down on what's already working for you. Figure out and focus on the problem that you're solving. Another thing to focus on is evergreen content. Evergreen content is content that's gonna live for a long time. You know, trends are fun and they work for exposure, but what's gonna be your long-term plan? Think about the content that's gonna help you be the authority that's evergreen. So instead of stressing if you don't do it today, you forgot or you didn't have time, it's okay. A plan definitely helps, and clarity is king, because, or queen. Clarity is going to help you know exactly what you're talking about. Another thing I am no longer going to be doing in 2023, monetization. I was able to get monetized earlier this year on Instagram and I love it. It's really cool. You're already making reels and you make an extra $200, like, that's amazing. What I do notice, catching myself do, is I have to do a reel versus the carousel that I want to do because I want to get paid. Or I have to do this reel because I haven't posted a reel in 4 days. That's not the strategy that I want. I don't want Instagram to determine the type of content that I want. I know that reels are being pushed out, but a lot of the times my carousels still perform well. There's sharing, ask me questions. I want to be able to determine the content that I want and what serves my ideal client. Not just, oh, I want to make an extra $200 on a reel. Another thing I used to preach about Instagram and I am not doing anymore is content shoots. I'm not gonna do it. I do believe that you need to take photos of yourself as you being the personal brand. If it's not going to align with me, I'm gonna post my old photos. I'm not gonna stress out that I don't have a new photo. It's freaking cold out here and I haven't had a chance. I am not willing to sacrifice my own mental. So if I wanna post an old photo, I'm gonna post it. Instead, when you go out, take different angles, different photos, and use them throughout the month. There's nothing bad with that, and you're still showing up for your personal brand on your feed, on your stories, and all of the promo content that you need. In the next video, make sure that you watch how to build a personal brand this coming year, and I'll see you there.